Today we will be showing you how to create a customer account on whdsupplements.com. So you want to go to the email or wherever you have your emails. You will have received an email that reads info@wellnesshg.com. Customer account activation, you want to click on that. There you want to activate your account. You click on the blue button. There you will be redirected where it says activate your account. You will be asked to create a password and confirm password. The username you have is automatically the email to where the email was sent to. So you want to confirm password. You want to create a password. Activate account. And once you've activated your account, it will read my account, log out, order history, account details. So this is very useful if you ordered something via the supplement store and you maybe forgot, or you wanted to know the total, or you forgot the name of a supplement name. You can actually look at your order history and it will be right here. So let's see the account details. You want to click on view my information. Here you will actually see this is where you can actually change your account details. It says your information, return to account details, or add a new address. So here you want to add a new address. This is where you can actually customize everything. You can change your name, your last name, address, province. So for instance, if you're not in Texas, you can actually change it to another state. So this is all very useful information due to the fact that this will be automatically applied if, let's say, you want it shipped to this address. So if you have more than one address, you want to make sure that the one that you use the most is set as default. So you will add address. Here it will say primary address, the address we just created. So let's say we have a second address we want to add. So maybe there's some times of the month where we're not in our primary address. You can add a secondary address. And let's say this one's in Alabama. And we don't want to set it as a default because we're not always there. Sometimes we are. We add address. And so now you see there's a primary address. And then the bottom is my secondary address. So let's say you're done here and you want to return to account details. You click on return to account details and it will take you back to my account. And as you read, it says account details and it says your primary address information is what's right above where it says view my information. So let's say you're on the home page and you want to go back to your account information. It will be right next to the magnifying glass where it reads, where you see it looks like a little man. You click on the little man and you see now you're back on my account. So whenever you want to log in and know all your information, you just click on the little man, put in your information to log in, and you will be here. And when you purchase something and you want it shipped to you, all the information you have here will be automatically put, or you can choose which information you want. So thank you for watching the video.